Welcome to week 5 of the Rib Remodeling series. I'm on the way to Vegas.
Felt something pop and I'm in so much pain. It felt like someone shot me. A bit of a ninja, badass assassin.
Future something we can barely see.
That's one. Hi loves, welcome to week 5 in Vegas. My last night here, and before I give you the recap on what happened this week, an update that yes, I did recrack my rib. I'll go into how I did that. It's really painful.
There's something missing in the way we feel, and I have noticed in myself that I can't let it go.
Just got to the room, cases are here, and I'm gonna show you before it gets a mess. All right, we have a shower, no tub, just good old Vegas, Cosmo. Nice little room. All right, let's get out. This is the outfit. I have the corset on. I'm wearing the jacket around my waist because I look kind of boxy on the side, and we're in Vegas, so the restaurants are all freezing. The aircon's turned up really, really high, so I always take a jacket out with me here. All right, 2 things. Cancelled on the Halloween outfit because we called up the reservations and they said the establishment doesn't allow Halloween costumes. So that was a no. And then 2, getting ready. I sneezed. I think I broke a rib. I'm gonna message the doctor. I'm not gonna do it tonight because it's Saturday night. If it's possible, I can break a rib because when I sneezed, I felt something break. And I'm in so much pain. Oh, the painkillers. I gotta take painkillers. Jeans Zara, top Zara, jacket Zara. And shoes are some designer. I'll show you if I remember tomorrow. Update. I've definitely cracked a rib. I'm in so much pain. I'm wondering if I'm gonna have to cancel tonight and come home early. But even putting these heels on and walking around, it's just killing one rib. Like more pain than after the procedure. It is weird. I'm scared I'm gonna sneeze again. I think it's Vegas because it's dusty. Keep you posted. I had a rough night of sleep. It's official, I have cracked a rib from sneezing because I went down from 27.5 to 25. I realized that I am putting a lot of pressure, obviously, on my ribs and the molding, and because it's in a really tight corset, when I sneezed, the impact and I cracked a rib, I felt like I was shot. It was like a pop in my, I sneezed and I felt pop in one of my bones and I fell to the ground and I was just like, what the hell? I spoke to the doctor this morning. I didn't want us to disturb him last night, especially because I saw on Instagram that he was out on Halloween and a Halloween party. I'm in pain sitting like this. I have to sit straight. Oh, and I have to say the cracked rib now is more painful than when you do it. I don't know why, but like this one rib is like, I basically have to walk around like a robot. The doctor asked if I was compressing still and I told him I'm really compressing, and he's like, okay, that's could be also why it's happened because I'm really compressing. Like I've gone down quite a lot in a month. My ribs are very fragile. To sneeze and crack a rib, it is, now I'm scared. Every time I cough or I sneeze, I'm like trying to just do it a little bit and I'm hunching over. When I sneezed, I was standing straight up. The cushion thing still applies. I'm 4.5 weeks now and it still applies. I think it's gonna apply the whole time this is happening for the 3 months. They still get molded, so they're still breakable. That's the update. I have 6 cracked ribs, but I re-cracked it.
Mongal. A peaceful warrior, but my fist will do demolition. Ambition raw combined with a future vision. I train my heart to be pure with super intuition. Come for all is my cure, to heal is my mission. Fly like a falcon, fly across the land and hit him with the fist of the Shaolin attack like a...
We're gonna go out for the day. It's Sunday. He really wants to go to a football game. Not soccer, but like American football. He wants to go to the new Raiders stadium. So I will let you know if that happens. Yeah, I just feel like putting full glam on now because I'll probably just have no time to get ready later on. I'm gonna go and do the Raiders football, probably, if the tickets come down. I'm just waiting for the right ticket to the right price. And if not, we're gonna go to the outlet mall. That's what I want to do. My makeup bag. This is so heavy. It's got a really heavy mirror in it. I'll probably change the mirror and make it a magnifying one. If you want to know where I got it from, let me know. But I do like the way it's organized and I do like this. Especially because we're in Vegas. We're out and about and going to like fancy places. So it's just nice to have some kind of glam. That's easy. Just learn from me and my mistakes. Don't sneeze like a normal human being. Sneeze like a crouched fetus in a corner. Oh, I can't even laugh. Like, laughing is hard. Anyway, I've got to go. I'm going to get ready.
I am alright. I feel like I'm on a high. A new beginning, that is my life.
I'm sorry about the light, but the Bellagio has really lame lighting. I'm sure I'll take something on my iPhone when I'm out. I'll post it here.
I'm turning to the rhythm of the night. I am alright. The music is making.
Sunday night outfit. A bit of a ninja badass assassin going on with my chopstick and my kimono ubi belt. Like a bit of a ninja satin top with my leather pants. Gonna go to Joe's Seafood to get some protein. Yeah, that's the look. Tied in the corset. I still have a broken rib or cracked major rib. It's still painful. I'm dealing. It's all good.
Baby girl, is it me? Am I coming out of left field? All around just for kicks I've been feeling it since 1966.
Sorry about the lighting in the messy room, but I just want to check in. This is the scars after 1 month. So there's nothing really here. That's the side that I popped or I cracked again. It's really painful. There's one or two that's still quite noticeable, but I'm putting tape on them all the time. But yeah, that's the scar. Quickly get dressed and I'm going downstairs for breakfast.
There's something missing in the way we feel, and I have noticed in myself that I can't let it go.
I brought the pen Dr. Erickson gave me to adjust the corset and come in tighter, but because I've re-cracked my rib, I'm going to delay it. I realized, yes, I'm going extreme. I went down to 25, then I'm thinking, yeah, let's go for 24, let's go for 23. Not realizing the amount of pressure I'm putting my ribs in such a short space of time, in 1 month, made them so fragile that I broke one. I did it by sneezing. I sneezed in my corset. Remember when I said to grab a cushion and put it into your stomach, and if you cough, you have to hold yourself? Or if you sneeze? I think it was in week 1 or week 2. I demonstrated what the nurse told my boyfriend for me to do. First day we got to Vegas, we arrived, dropped the bags. I was getting dressed really quick in the bathroom. Just I sneezed quickly, thinking, okay, let's just get out of here. And I sneezed and I dropped to the floor. I thought someone shot me in the back. And there was a pop. That's how much pressure my corset in. So now every time I sneeze or I cough, I have a panic attack about, oh, am I break another rib? Am I gonna break a bone by sneezing? Because it's that painful. It really is that painful. And I'm thinking, do I release the corset to sneeze? Or does that make it more weak? Like, I don't know what to do. So I'm slowing down on the adjusting, and I've gone from 27.5 inches to 25 inches in less than a month, but there's repercussions for being so gung-ho. Realize the amount of pressure I was putting on my 6 ribs, going around, going smaller, it just broke. There's something else I have to mention. On my last vlog, we had a Bloody Mary going onto the plane to Vegas. We won't be doing that again. It's my second Bloody Mary in 2 weeks where it just doesn't go down past the corset. Anything really high pH level or acidic does not digest well, does not go down. Your corset is this tight, and I have IBS issues anyway, so like I'm always kind of full. So for my stomach to be so compressed, and then I put food on top of it, I'm getting a lot of gastric acid, excuse the TMI, but like belching and stuff. It's just, things just don't go down past that little waistband. I had the Bloody Mary before we went on the plane. I couldn't finish it. I only had half of it. Our ritual is spicy Bloody Mary for the flight. Sure. And then I had the worst acid pain. I had to go and look for a Tums to settle my stomach. And now I have to be very careful about what I eat. And sodium level wise, I still get bloated. So I'm taking it easy with the sodium. But anything really high pH level, like a Bloody Mary, as I say, is out of the question. I think until, at least for another month. Maybe till the end of this corset challenge, which is 2 months. Right now, I don't even fancy one because it kind of just knocks me sideways. Anything heavy or very flavoursome kind of just sits on top of your throat and you can taste it. Nothing seems to go down. You don't want to be eating the lamb vindaloo and it just sitting at the top of your throat. Right, I've just finished the editing my week 4 and I'll be uploading that right now. I've been taping all of week 5 for you guys. Ones that are following this series, it's all coming. That's my last night. BF wants me to get dressed for some business drinks. I'll go and get refreshed.
Two hearts without guaranteed emotions. Ooh, one feels without emotions. I'm going in for the
Last day in Vegas and we're packing and we're ready to go. I'm put the camera this way because BF is over there naked and packing, so you don't want to see that. First thing I want to show you, my little goodies that I got while I was in Vegas. Look at this. Can you see this? Oh, I have to do this. I want to, there we go. How beautiful it is. I love this. This is a size medium, it's huge. And it's UGG. And I got it for $79 in Ross. How beautiful is that? A big UGG coat for this winter. Seriously? UGG. It's one of my favorite finds this trip. Next one. Please excuse my nails. I'm trying to save my ring and little fingernails, so please just ignore them for now. I had so much time on this trip, staying above all of these high-end shops. I was on a mission to find a perfect wallet. I searched every kind of model in Chanel, YSL, even Alexandra McQueen, but I settled on Louis Vuitton. Oh yes, love this. It's my new wallet, my new purse. My last wallet I've had for 15 years. I got it in Singapore. Let me show you the difference on the size of this one. Look at that beast. I've been carrying that around for 15 years. Who carries cash these days? It took me till 2024, the end of 2024, to figure out I don't need anything that big. Yes, I bought it in America, more taxes. I should have just waited till I went to Europe or to Singapore, but I needed to get rid of this. I was carrying big bags all the time just to carry my wallet with a credit card in it. This carries my credit card. This is all I need. It's got a compartment here, like a coin pouch or something. I suppose that's for receipts. And then you have cards on the outside here, you can put it in. She recommended don't put credit cards here, just put like your memberships and things in there and store cards. And then here is where you'd put, oh, that's a keychain. And then here is where you would put your credit cards and maybe like $100 bill. Love this. It's perfect. I was gonna get the monogram brown, and everyone in Louis Vuitton, every shop I went to the last week kept saying get the leather. I didn't realize monogram is plastic, it's a resin. I thought it was leather. Monogram, the brown, I'm gonna pay that much money, get the leather. The monogram was $630 and this one was $780. Yes, I should have waited till I went to Singapore or Europe and I wouldn't have paid taxes and VAT and all of that, but love this.